So these are various energy levels, the two energy levels, and suppose the electron is over here. Okay. If I provide energy to the electron, or electron is somehow absorbing the energy, okay, then it will get excited and it will go to the higher energy level. Okay, it will go to the higher energy level. And how much energy absorbed by the electron will depend on the delta E, the difference between these two. So as somebody had asked that suppose the delta E is 500, okay, but energy provided is much more than that. So it will only absorb the 500. So what happens to the remaining? That is still there, that gets reflected. Okay, so or that's the radiation which is the leftover. Okay, that radiation will have the leftover energy. So what happens is, suppose that example of this is that if I take a cold gas, okay, cold gas, why am I saying cold gas? Because it will have less energy, because it has less energy. Now suppose a white light is passing through this. White light is passing through this. The electron will absorb energy. The electron in the gas molecules will absorb energy. But how much energy? As I said, say only 500. So the emission, that is the radiation which is coming out of this, like the same white light which is coming out of this, will not be a white light. Is this clear? Will not be a white light. Why will it not be a white light anymore?
Because some is absorbed by the gas.
Yeah. So if I take a spectrum of this, suppose, if I take a spectrum of this, then I should, suppose if this part was missing, suppose ye part nahi ho raha, and if I directly take the spectrum of a white light, if I take the spectrum of a white light, will I get Vibgyor line spectrum?
Yeah,
Sorry, continuous spectrum?
yeah.
So I will get continuous spectrum. Okay, I will just show the continuous spectrum so that you understand what exactly I mean.
Yeah, so violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Now all frequencies.
No, but it's better that we see it. So I will get this spectrum. Okay, I will get this spectrum. But if there is a cold gas in between that radiation, if it's a cold gas in between that radiation, then what will happen? Whatever radiation, whatever frequencies are absorbed, or whatever wavelength are absorbed by that gas, will not appear in this. So those colors will be missing, right?
Oh yeah, okay.
Understand? Those colors will be missing. Suppose that this much energy is absorbed. Oh, sorry. So this will be a black patch. So there will be black patches in between. Like the entire Vibgyor is there, but black patches in between.
Cool, so.
Okay, this is absorption. But is this continuous spectrum?
No.
No. But this is absorption line spectrum. Okay, absorption line spectrum and emission line spectrum में फर्क क्या है? In absorption line spectrum, for that, suppose वो hydrogen gas है, the cold gas was hydrogen. So in the emission spectrum, you know that specific colors were there, rest of it was dark patch, no? Understand? Absorption of hydrogen, same gas है, उसका absorption में the colors which were existing in the line emission will be absent here.
So inverted,
colors
right?
which were, sorry?
Inverted now.
Inverted, basically inverted. So the colors which are present here, you know, these were the dark patches, if you remember. ये पूरा dark patch था उधर, and the color which is missing here was present there in the emission. Okay, so absorption and emission में that is the difference. Why? Because that emission radiation is emitted from hydrogen. Like hydrogen is a source of that radiation. Understand? It is starting from hydrogen. Is that clear? Emission spectrum का radiation is starting from hydrogen. In absorption में it is starting from the other source, like the lamp. White light आ रहा है कहीं और से. That has all the energy values. But when that white light passes through hydrogen, hydrogen will absorb few energies, and rest come. I'm taking the spectrum. So and here it is the cold gas. Remember that there I had taken a hot gas. Hot hydrogen will give emission spectrum. Cold hydrogen will give you absorption spectrum, because cold है ना, low energy, so it will absorb. So when I provide the full range, it will absorb. It will select few frequencies and allow the rest to pass through. So
Yes,
the rest which are passed through was this spectrum that you can see on the screen here. Okay, and when hydrogen was heated, hot hydrogen was itself the source of the radiation. So because it's the same element, same electron configuration, same energy levels, so the frequencies which it will emit when it is high energized will be same as the frequencies which it will absorb when it is cold. So that's why same colors which are missing here are present there. The colors which are missing there are present here. Colors which are missing here are present there. Hope this is clear.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Okay, here you can see that the colors, the dark patch that you see would be present in the absorption, because absorption में तो it started from a white light. We had the full range, everything present. It's the hydrogen which took up the energies there. Okay, so that's all about the line spectrum. Sorry, absorption line spectrum and emission line spectrum.